The final day of La Liga in Spain saw Real Madrid put the gloss on their already fantastic campaign by breaking the all-time league points record for a season. Madrid sealed their first domestic league title in 4 years 11 days ago and capped off a remarkable season by beating the previous best haul of 99 points set by bitter rivals Barcelona 2 years back. Jose Mourinho's team started the day on 97 points, and a 4-1 victory over Mallorca at the Santiago Bernabeu took them to 100. Cristiano Ronaldo opened the scoring in the 19th minute before Karim Benzema scored 4 minutes later, and Mesut Ozil struck a brace after the break. Elsewhere, Malaga beat Sporting Gijon 1-0 to qualify for the Champions League. Raul Tamudo scored in stoppage time to give Rayo Vallecano a 1-0 win over Granada that lifted his team out of the drop zone and condemned Villarreal. Levante also beat Athletic Bilbao 3-0 to qualify for the Europa League for the first time. Meanwhile, Pep Guardiola's final league game in charge of Barcelona didn't go to plan, as they only managed to draw 2-2 with Real Betis on Saturday. Seydou Keita scored a late equaliser for the Catalans after Dani Alves was dismissed. But after the match, Guardiola, whose final game in charge will be the Copa del Rey final against Athletic Bilbao on May 25th, leapt to the defence of Alves, who has been linked with a move away from the Camp Nou.
It's not my call answering questions about his future, but from my point of view, Dani Alves is an irreplaceable player. His contribution to the team is fantastic, and he's been a pivotal player for Barca during the last years. I hope he can be so in the future.
So this is how it finishes for the 2011-2012 season in La Liga. The top two way out in front have qualified for the Champions League, along with Valencia and Malaga. Atletico Madrid qualify for the Europa League alongside Levante. Meanwhile, Villarreal joined Sporting Gijon and Racing Santander in relegation to the Segunda Division.